Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload an image to your Threads account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Threads and an image that we will be uploading to the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, we can either do two things. One being go to threads.net or go to instagram.com via shortcut on the bookmarks tab. This will take us directly to the account. And then, as we know, Instagram and Threads are linked together. Go to the profile, go to your Threads handle, Computer Science Videos, click on this, and this will take us to threads.net. And then make sure that you are also signed into the account. Go to the bottom right corner within profile, click on this. This allows us to now compile a brand new thread. Let's click on image. Go to pictures, make sure that you have an image available for upload. Let's click on upload after we click on the image itself, and that is the image we will be uploading to the account. Let's just say what's new. This is my first image. To Threads, Computer Science Videos, hashtag, click on post, posting. Once that has been posted, we can now see that the image has been uploaded to my account as part of a new thread to the account. Let's go back one. Let us now click within that thread that will open up within its own page. Go back one. So we now have two threads posted to Computer Science Videos. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.